They talked about the tags, and this has been maybe one of the longest rumored products, these AirTags.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there are other products on the market that have done similar things, but you know how it goes with the ecosystem stuff. People are already doing all the Find My things.
Mm-hmm.
Find My this and that. And it's one of these situations where even though you have products like Tile and so forth in the past, I believe Samsung even has little tracking devices. It's once Apple does it that the widespread adoption takes place. That all of a sudden everybody starts talking about these technologies. Now, Apple did it a slightly different way. They claim completely private. Right? They say privacy this. The guy went into the couch, as I mentioned.
They're having fun with it.
He went into the couch because you want to sell a product. You want to sell a boatload of products, Will.
Yeah.
You best start thinking about what your video is going to look like.
Sure, yeah.
Because, of course, the premise here is that, oh, you lost in your couch, but what if you forgot it halfway across the world? Would it still be on your app? Guess what? It would be. Now, they show it off with a couple little keychains. I don't know if they want you to have it on the keychain. They say you can clip it to your backpack. They say you can throw it in the purse. Guy like you, Willie, that might be the way you go for it. I don't know. Oh, maybe that's you right there. I mean, your luggage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
we know these tracking devices exist. We know they can be useful. And now it just integrates into an ecosystem where it wasn't previously. And from the brand themselves. Because a lot of people have their concerns over privacy with this. And I'll tell you why. I believe it's a topic we've covered in the past. What if somebody just plants the little tracker on you? What if somebody wants to do you harm? I mean, use.
who would?
I mean, you.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh.
And you remember how you were talking that you're going to be on a nice little bike with a basket and a backpack.
Sure.
And just commuting
like a cartoon character.
Just a friendly neighborhood meme.
Yeah.
On your way to work.
Rickety wheels?
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Because you couldn't get the other one figured out.
Yeah.
So you got a rusty bucket. But let's say that's you and somebody wants to do you harm. And they just chuck a little tag in there.
Uh-huh.
And they say, I'm going to track this man no matter where he goes. I don't care if he's a neighborhood meme.
Yeah.
That's my target right there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this device, if the person happens to have an iPhone, it's going to tell them you got an unwanted tag. That ain't your tag. Been following you around. So this is a concern that people had, and Apple obviously thought about it, addressed it. Rotating identifiers and audible alerts. So it will give you a warning, hey, you're being tracked, Will.
If you have an iPhone.
See, that's the thing, isn't it? What do you mean if you have an iPhone? There's no one else in the world, is there? Just ask Tim. Doesn't everyone have an iPhone?
Yeah,
Are there other products? Do other products exist?
I'm the only one using an Android.
In the world? I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
If you ask Tim, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
He'd be like, well. We're like, well.
I'm sorry, Tim.
Yeah.
Can't help it.
Like, well. You know better there, Will. It's not how it sounds at all.
Oh.
All right, so it has that feature built in. Yes, if you have an iPhone, if you're a part of the thing, you can get a 4-pack of these for $100. Otherwise, they're $29. You can order them on Friday. And I'll tell you something crazy. We're going to have little tiny carbon later cases for these, so they don't get too damaged. If you don't want to buy the Apple bulky leather thing, a tiny little carbon cover, believe it or not, on later cases. I don't think it's up there yet. I don't know, but you can go check for it.